You know, something just occurred to me. I saw the post somewhere. It says biopsy is better than autopsy. Mm. Let me say that again. Biopsy is better, way better than autopsy. Let me break it down. You see, biopsy is a procedure used to ascertain what a lump or a lesion is, and it's one of the diagnostic investigations done to confirm breast cancer, because biopsy tells you what really the tissue in the breast looks like, its characteristics, what is happening inside and all that. So if you are a lady or a gentleman and a doctor says that I want to do a biopsy of your breasts or any part of your body that has a suspicious lesion or growth, and you say no, you know what you are doing to yourself? You are stabbing yourself with your own hands, because if you don't agree to that thing and the suspicious lesion happens to be cancerous and it spread fast, the only way we can know is when that disease has ended your life abruptly, and a pathologist will do an autopsy